So.
Wait, which way are you?
It's gonna be harder on you or me. This is beautiful.
Probably you. Boy, are you ready or what? Look at those goggles.
Oh,
Which direction are you sitting? Because somebody may
So-
come through the door.
Sarah, you,
Yeah,
you
safety
might.
first, everybody.
Wait, let me get a good picture.
I
Sarah, look at me.
look. Yeah, do not hit the baby.
Wait, I want
So I think you should scoot up a little so that if the pie flies by.
Well, you have to stand back.
Oh, yeah.
You don't get a.
So who has the official rules for pie throwing?
Yeah,
That's
what
what
are
I
they?
thought. The official rule. Star.
Is it really from a distance?
That was kind of fun.